In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a card from Namecheap quickly and safely. Whether you want to update your payment methods, remove an old card, or just keep your account information organized, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your browser. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Account. This opens the main account options where you can access your profile and billing settings. From the menu, select Profile. This takes you to your account profile area where you can manage personal and payment related settings. On the left side menu, click Billing. This section is where Namecheap keeps your payment information, billing history, and saved cards. Now look for the payment cards section. This is where all saved cards connected to your account are listed. Next, click Manage. This opens the controls for viewing and editing your stored payment methods. Find the saved card you want to remove from the list. If you have more than one card saved, double check that you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once you've found the card, click the arrow or menu next to Edit. A small options menu should appear. From that menu, select Remove. Namecheap may ask you to confirm the removal, so make sure you review the prompt before finalizing it. After you confirm, the card will be deleted from your saved payment methods. And that's it. You've successfully removed the card from Namecheap. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you know exactly how to do it without any confusion. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides just like this one.